a bit early here at the Makerspace because everyone's hand making their gifts. It's a really busy time of year around here.
All of a sudden, I get a phone call. Hey, Mom.
Hi, I'm Michael's mom.
My mother needs me.
I was perplexed with what to do for our big family Yankee swap.
My family's really big, so instead of doing individual gifts, each year we do a Yankee swap. Okay. There's only 2 rules. Rule number 1, you have to make it yourself. It can be cookies, it can be cutting boards, it can be dresses, it can be whatever, but you have to make it yourself. Rule number 2, it's a secret. No one can know what you're doing.
I have this great idea, but I really need Michael to help me because I think if I can pull it off, I'm about to create a family heirloom. This is to be a secret because obviously Michael, being my son, is part of the family and I'm not supposed to ask for help.
So I must go.
I am much sneakier than I look. This recipe my great-grandmother used. My grandmother, honestly, her cookies weren't quite as good. They were too thick, but my dad, he was a pro. He rolled them nice and thin, and my sister and I helped him every Christmas, and I carried on that tradition with my 4 kids. I think they'll forgive me for kind of breaking the rules a little bit and doing my own thing and going rogue because I really think it's a good idea. Yeah, honestly, it's a great idea.
My mom wants to make a cutting board with the family cookie recipe engraved on it in her handwriting. We're starting by planing these flat on the CNC router.
I have no idea what this machine is, but it's pretty exciting, don't you think? So an artist I may not be, but am I a pro at cleaning? You bet. I swept up the sawdust like it was nobody's business. And you know, a really fun part of this was an added bonus, maybe a little extra Christmas present for me, was that I got to be with Michael and understand and learn what it is that he does. It's fun, I think.
After a long day of working hard, everyone went home, including Michael, it would seem. He must have snuck out when I wasn't paying attention. I don't know, it gets kind of busy in here. I'm all alone at Christmas time.
Brooke called, wondering where I disappeared to, so I told her I was working on my Yankee Swap gift. It makes for a very convenient excuse this time of year in my family.
He's clever, he's thinking. Did on a busy day and I didn't even notice. It's pretty good, but I can one-up him because my family Yankee Swap gift, no one's gonna figure out because I already made it. No one's gonna guess it because they've already seen it. And now it would appear I have some time on my hands in the Makerspace all alone. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna Makerspace the heck out of my wrapping job.
Happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas.
And then I waited for the glue to dry.
Yeah, can I come back yet? Okay. Alright. Getting a little hungry.
After the boards were flat and my mom sanded them, I used Adobe Capture to turn a handwritten recipe into an SVG to send to laser.
I am beyond happy with how this turned out. Thanks to Michael having a lot of patience to help me out. I think I have the #1 gift. Do I feel bad about cheating on the Yankee swap? Not one bit.
I take the rules of this Yankee swap very seriously. I was gonna put a bow on my package, but I was realizing I need to hand make that too. This is just some scrap 1/8 inch thick plywood. I'm spray painting this with metallic silver spray paint. And while that dries, I'm gonna test out my stamps because I think the glue's basically dry.
Now, I just need to figure out what I'm gonna put in the Yankee swap.
I wonder what he's working on. It's gotta be something really good.
Probably not. technically I made it. I don't want to spend too much time on it because there's a parade later and I kind of want to go. I didn't make it, but somebody did. Good night.
Next time at Maker's Workshop. I'm handling a menu redesign for a local pizza place.
I'm delicate.